on this very auspicious day organized by the Pharmaceutical Science Department of University of Science Technology Meghalaya in this celebration of World Health Day. Our respected Dr. R.K. Sharma, advisor to USTM, Professor Habibul Islam, Dean, School of Allied Medical Sciences, Professor P.K. Barwa, Head of the Department of Botany, Head of the Department of Pharmacy, all our respected professors of Pharmacy Department, and dear students. At the outset, I, on behalf of University of Science Technology Meghalaya and my own behalf, I congratulate you all that in USTM, Department of Pharmacy has taken this lead to bring awareness through the celebration of World Health Day. I congratulate all the students that in spite of your examination, you could prepare so nicely, so many posters giving different messages and bringing awareness. As well as I could see so much creativity in girls that they prepared this song by themselves. I was listening, it was so soothing and so much message giving that they are really so creative. Their mind is very healthy mind. We can say now that we have healthy mind of our students in the Department of Pharmacy. So that is a very good sign of our healthy mind, and that also indicates that how our students, in spite of examination, they could prepare this preparation. And the street play, what we have seen, is having very original idea that in spite of their this involvement and this second wave of corona, we have to be very careful. Now, only thing I will request our faculty members that write all these 6 points and we should display in our campus and write down by the students of pharmacy. This awareness program. So this will be your great contribution. Everybody will see how careful are our students, how they are bringing awareness. Because the first objective of celebration is bringing awareness among our youths, so that our youth population in university and colleges should remain healthy, mentally health, physically health, as well as our thinking or psychologically the positive in our health. These are the parameters which indicates that we have healthy society, and that is how this theme for 2021 has come, fairer and healthier world. So this can start from our university itself. To become fairer, because in university and colleges we have maximum diversity. Students coming from different tribes, students coming from different economic strata. Some are from poor families, some are from rich family, some are from different parts, different states, different our caste also. But we are here in a room as a unit of student of pharmacy. So how to remove this difference which we are bringing in our mindset? This is very important, because this is the first thing to create healthy living together. There are many examples that how we can live together. In Corona, COVID-19, last year you have seen almost 8 months colleges, universities remained closed. That has also been shown in our act of play. And our teaching from face to face was also jeopardized. But we have learned to overcome this our problem or challenge through technology, having online class. But as a student, we also want to have contact with each other, have friendship with each other. But in this atmosphere, this was somehow not possible because of Corona. And also so many guidelines, so many our closures, total closures. Now also it has been started by the second wave. So that was also given how to overcome this kind of challenge to bring better health feeling. So using technology in having group discussion and also to have our mental health as well as our food which we take, how can we make it more balanced food. Sometimes we feel the balanced nutritive food is only because of money, but it is not, never like this. You will find that addition of simple things, our local resources make it more balanced food. And we are lucky in India, especially in Northeast, because maximum biodiversity of plants is available in our Northeast. This is one of the hot spots of the biodiversity. That means we have seasonal plants which are coming to market, which are rich in those nutrients which are required in particular environment. For winter, we have so many varieties of lemon fruits, oranges, all these things that is required. We are lucky every season here in Northeast, some leaves are available. They are very rich source of vitamins, minerals, iron. They are very source and very cheap also. Wash properly and then use, make 2-3 leaves, your lunch or whatever is there. So you will find that your lot of positive energy will be coming. But what is required? We have seen a general common problem with the student psychology. They always complain, sir, I read many times but cannot retain it. First thing comes, cannot absorb, cannot understand, but I understand but cannot retain it. Means memory part. But some students are there, they just once they read it, they remember. So this is also required. At least we have done one experiment. If before class our teachers ask you for 5 minutes, be quiet and just concentrate. That is meditation, part of meditation. 5 minutes before taking your class. You will find a dramatic transformation in your memory, because that gives a lot of energy, because this our atmosphere is always creating disturbance in our mind. And you have seen when any teacher enters, earlier to entry we are talking each other, discussing with each other, but all of a sudden the topic changes to study. How to change that? Because you are talking, discussing among your friends some lighter things, maybe about anyone. But all of a sudden the formula, the chemistry comes, and then something comes very serious. So how to overcome? That is why this silence is very helpful in making you, bringing your mind to that level which people also say meditation and all this, but even without that term, you can keep your mind shifting from that stage to the learning stage. These are the parameters how to bring more healthy mind, how to appreciate our own friend, how to bring the competition by these posters, as well as allot some topic and a group of 4 or 5 students write on that topic. And then, so these are some of the things, the physical health, mental health, which may involve your food, which may involve some physical activity, as sir has already told that you can do yoga, or changing your lifestyle, as he has already given you good message that early to bed, early to rise. So I am sure our teachers will also bring uniqueness, feature in bringing more, better, healthier environment for everybody in the campus by pharmacy department. So thank you very much. All the best wishes to all of you.